guys, I'm Jenny Sheets from onX Offroad, and I am here to give you guys the basic tutorial on how to use the onX Offroad app. One of the first things you'll see when opening up the app are nearby trails. This is from your Discover card. Tap the lower left-hand Discover to open and close nearby trails wherever you are on the map. As you move the map, new trails will populate. Tap a trail to find more information, either through the nearby trails or on the map. This trail is called Two Top, and as you can see with featured trail cards, the trails that are blue on your map, they show difficulty rating, distance, elevation, trail descriptions, and photos. Everything you need to plan and prep for an awesome trip. Tap out of any trail card to go back to the map. Your onX Offroad maps are fully interactive. Tap anywhere on the map for more information, such as trail details and land management for national forests, BLM, national parks, and more. Elite subscribers will also have access to all of the private landowner names, parcel sizes, and land boundaries for the entire nation. Before heading out, take just a couple minutes to save your maps. That way you'll have access to all of the trail details, even if you lose cell service. Go to Offline Maps and tap New Map. From there, you can choose your resolution, 5 miles wide, 10 miles wide, or 150 miles wide. I like 10 miles wide. It gives me a good idea of the area and still lets me see a lot of trails. Tap Save, and once it's done, you will be able to access that on this device, even without cell service. With premium and elite subscriptions, you can save as many maps as your device can hold, so you're not limited to just that one map. The Tools icon contains everything you need to customize your maps. Line distance, drawing an area, adding a picture, adding a waypoint, and marking your location. Waypoints are an awesome way to customize and keep yourself organized. Consider them your personal assistant to your off-road app. So let's add a waypoint. I'm going to mark this as camp. I'm going to color code it, add the camp icon, but I could choose many icons in order to customize my map. But for now, camp works great. Then I'm going to add a note. Camp near creek. That way I can remember for next year what was so awesome about it. I'm going to save that, and now I know. And in case I want to go camping with friends, I can also go back to that waypoint and share it. Then I can send it to any of my friends, and they will be able to add it to their off-road app as well. All right, so we've been planning. Now we're ready to hit the trail. Let's jump back in. When you're out on the trail and ready to go, tap Go and Track to track your entire trip. The map tilts to give you better perspective. Track your location, speed, distance, and elevation, all within Go and Track. When you're ready to stop, tap Pause. You can either resume and keep going, or tap End and save the track for future reference. You can also send tracks to your friends so they can add the route to their off-road app as well. Now you guys know how to use the onX Offroad app. Get ready to hit the trail. We'll see you out there.